Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to clear conversations on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on the settings icon to the right hand corner. Scroll down and inside of account action section you will find clear conversation, so tap on that and now tap on this cross icon next to the conversation which you want to clear and tap on clear. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.